we want our women to also receive credit. They must have proper access to finance. Because it has been proven, I'm a banker, Honorable Minister, it has been proven ukuthi bafati bayakwati ukuphatha imali. Give umfati imali dawubukela. Utayikhulisa ayitalise nasebhange kubhadala abomake. Ngoba abomake bayalisaba lihlazo lokuthi sebayakweleta bona. Bayibuyisela imali ebhange bomake. So banikeni imali minister bomake bakhone kwenta imisebenzi batowakha live. And then agricultural support, inhlanyelo, the inputs, the equipment, those are things that can be availed to women for them to work. We also need women to be represented. Kulama board, nema committee, minister. Let's have our rural women sitting in those organizations so that they can be part of the decision making. Khona batokhona ubona nabo. So it's very important that we also consider that for our women. Snikeni ndobukele. Give us a chance, try us. You will see what will happen. Ushito lomnye mage lana wathi, women can spin anything. Women can spin anything. So, Honorable Minister, siyayicela support sengcina. Therefore, to our partners in government, to our partners in the private sector, in development agencies, siyacela ukuthi le celebration nomanga ikhona lamhlanje ingabe a once-off event or event ya once a year sihambe namhlanje sikhohlwe siphinde sikhumbule nasekufika uOctober. Rather, let us create year-round initiatives that will change the lives of the women. Let us give them access to finance. Let's get the money. Let's get agricultural training. And let us get opportunities of being business people and entrepreneurs so that we can make things happen. So, Honorable Minister, government officials, let us make sure the policies that we write as government speak to the realities of the women that are on the ground. Kumkani wethu, Sengziba, thank you very much for the opportunity yokuthi size lapha. Asigcini sinobuya, but siyabonga kakhulu kusirecognize. Ngibonge nje nami ithuba lokubona labanye bondlunkulu. So this event today was just not an event for one thing. We've killed a lot of birds with just one stone. Yeah,